University of JOS student, they don't assault her. This one na the hostel porter. And according to matter wey reach me, they say this girl come back from church. They say na church. She come back from church and already the gate already dey lock. But from where she stand, and no be only show, they say another girl been there. That one too come late. So from the place where she start, she dey see the porter. Now so these guys start dey beg o. Say oga beg o. Na church I go. Say I don't call late. The porter come dey tell her say why you no come back fast. He say car wahala, no car wey go carry me come back. Many things. That's what this porter why they talk to una about. Open gate for the lady wey stand beside this girl. Meanwhile na two of them o. Na two of them come late. Open gate for that one. They even dey inside the gist. That one still stay outside o. They beg. So she say no solution. She find another way, whether that through the backyard. I don't know how she manage enter. Now so she enter. Now so the porter comes and say this girl don't dey inside a room. He go there, break inside the room, enter. Come dey tell the girl say make she waka come outside. Say she must sleep outside today. The girl come say I no fit. Say e don late. See beating. He study. In fact, the girl eye don't swell up. University of JOS. I bet for now we no know what they talk about. Because join me, make we watch the video.
See how swollen her eyes are. So apparently my roommate went to church yesterday, and because she got back and the hostel people had already locked the gate, the hostel porter had already locked the gates, and with some other people, they said that they were not opening the gate for her. Meanwhile, there was a girl that was there gisting with them, and they opened the gate and she entered.
In front of us and...
In front of them.
And we're pleading with the man so that because we're cold and we have papers, and he refused, saying that he will not allow us enter the hostel. And we kept begging. We even waited for a while, thinking he was just trying to punish us. Wait for him to stand up and enter the car to rest. Another girl went to beg him, and he was like, he won't open the gate. He kept insisting that he will open the gate, that we'll sleep outside today, that I should even go back to where I slept.
My problem with some people, we say, they only know today. They don't know tomorrow. Like, you know that's how tomorrow for their ear, it be like saying forever. Now only today. Small title where they give you, small one. Bere, you don't feel like say you be King Kong. The world revolves around you. Tomorrow, now this same girl will save you from one untimely death or one funny situation, but una no dey think am. Una no dey think am. Small pikin don save adult before. Una dey carry things. No, waiting happen for this one now. You open gate for person. You leave another one outside. And wetin you expect make the girl do? No, make she stand there, continue to dey beg you. Dey beg you. Abi because she no give you bribery and corruption. Which one? Whatever this girl did, I don't say many of una don dey talk, the girl too is wrong. The girl too is wrong, bow. No matter what this girl did, she doesn't deserve this kind of treatment. At all. See, I stand against it. Now, this kind of thing sometimes they make me the wonder. See, I bet people will not get family members. This girl now, where I don't swear, you don't get brother. Hey, Chimeki, your brother need visit. Or be your brothers if you get more than one. They need visit this porter. Just one small visit, short one, to remind him of how they treat ladies. See, place is there. If you go 7 p.m., you no go even see car. Say they transport you from one place. See, now problem to get car. Some places 7 p.m. you no go get. And if you dey very familiar with JOS, you go understand say 9 p.m. self transportation or you be your case. I don't dey there before now. Wetin you dey talk? Sometimes 8, 9 before you go see car. You in fact na miracle. Abeg, for una wey just dey open mouth dey defend this porter. Even if The rules and regulation of the school be say from so time nobody is supposed to be allowed inside. Even if, and this girl don't find her way inside, don't touch her. Simple, give her the form to fill. I mean, they say that they give a form if you misbehave or what. Give her the form to fill. You dey tell her make she go back. What if something happened to this girl on her way back? Wetin una go talk? Una see wetin we dey talk about. Nobody care again about lives, our lives. Nobody, like, we have become objects. We have become things that don't even have value. Because if una dey value life, there are some kind of statements you shouldn't even make. Assuming a girl wey this porter dey bang now for that university, assuming na one of the people wey in the bang, una think say e go leave her outside regardless of the time. Make una get sense, abeg. This period wey we dey, I no dey expect some people to dey make this kind of statement. Because University of JOS, I dey call una out now because of una bring this matter out. Una must do something about this. You people have a beast as a porter and it's not tolerated. In fact, we know they agree with this one. And he must not go unpunished. So very, very important. Anything one I must do to make this man pay for what he has done, do it. And as for you, madam, may your family member they involved inside this scheme. In fact, police station straight. No sir, you study beating and now you there. You know go join police people. May they go fight Boko Haram. You there they punch woman. Holy now so cowardice everywhere. If your fellow man stand now, make una fight, they go beat you blue, black, and the color of the color to they wear. You come outside, yeah, they. I know one verse. My people, I don't bring her. Help me share this video so that they go know, say, person don't almost die. Very important. Maybe we will not wait until person die before you take action. Share this video now, especially to University of JOS. Send out straight. Very, very important. And if you never subscribe, you go they miss interesting matters like this one. No be me. Drop your comment for that comment section and I go reply now one by one as usual. Stay tuned for our next story.